nicely in the wallet.
Yep. I don't keep it in my wallet. I keep it in my bag. Oh, now they gotta check this stuff. Yeah.
I think you're perfectly first. Dennis, I have to squeeze my shoes in, so I said that's right.
Damn, all these water droplets though. It's raining, I know that. But look at this. It's raining heavily, looks like.
Moderate.
Moderate, almost heavy. It looks like it's heavy.
Then open the thing. They're checking everywhere. Yeah. Okay, come then.
No problem.
Can I take your bag?
Okay, so keep it nicely.
Oh, of course you keep it nicely.
Your passport and your you don't fill any form, but just keep your boarding pass cover.
Yeah. You're boarding in number 8. Yeah, I'll keep it. Now I finally get to go home.
I think because the rain or maybe
There could be a number of reasons. Boeing 777-300ER. Heading back home from San Francisco. GE. Just to see the engine from here. 1E90. Rolls Royce. You mean Rolls Royce, right?
they're the ones who are actually producing engines.
Yep. I'm proud of it.
Pitney Bowes.
Pratt and Whitney still do, but not.
Pitney Bowes. Pitney Bowes also manufactures aircraft engines.
I know that, but I said like most of the new ones are coming with GE, but this 777's coming.
Aircraft company who has all the people have got this. Aircraft engines.
That's I know that. But you know, as far as I have explored, actually all 777-300ERs that every airline has are only GE90s, but they have different variants. Just for what I heard. Just one cast, there you go. Yeah, much noisier than when we went on Emirates. It's not even noisy at all. This is noisy though. It sounds like a grinding noise. Okay, I'll see you later. I mean, in a little bit. I'll say see you later. Oh, careful. All right.